I've been getting a lot of questions and a lot of comments under my videos when it comes to my food truck. 2019 summer, I did not work on my food truck because I was just trying to have like a hot girl summer or something. I don't know. I was just trying to have fun this summer, which is backwards because you need to make money to have fun. But I still was getting money regardless. Like the year before that, 2018 summer, I made so much money that during the summer and that winter that I could take the whole summer off and still got money like right now. So this is like a really good investment for me. So with that being said, I am on my way to my food truck because as y'all can see, this is the outside of the truck on one side. Pretty dirty. It have been sitting up for like a year. I put a new window in, a bigger window. I already put a bigger scoop on the top. I just gotta, you know, fix this side. I got some tape on it. Super, super dirty. See that? Still got the chalk right here, but I want to put a menu right there and some more menus around the truck. Back tire definitely on the flat. Surprisingly, the paint on this truck still look pretty good for it being airbrush, but that was a little brighter, but it's cool. I'm definitely taking this off. Let's see the inside. The other side really don't look like nothing. It's just got like a big flower. Let me show y'all real quick. Put my like a big flower of my favorite artist, and that's pretty much it. Let's see the inside. Yeah, pretty much the inside of the truck. I gotta hurry up because the camera about to die. Right here, this is where I hold all the cups and stuff, fire extinguisher, blood extinguisher, because I was gonna have like a little grill and stuff right here, which I am gonna have. Like I said, I didn't work on the truck none in 2019. And 2 speakers. If you watch the other videos, the series, you know that. Got this window right here still. For the floor, I went with this. I put down actual wood on the floor. Then on top of the wood, I put this on top of the wood. It was a table right here holding stuff, and there was like a whole bunch of like different icy flavors right here, and this was like a sink. But I like took a lot of stuff apart because I was gonna remodel it for 2019 summer, but I just end up not working on it at all. This is the ice machine. This is a big freezer I got donated to me. I used to keep pops and stuff in there. I never had it on. I just kept a whole bunch of ice in there, and with that ice, with the cover, with the like the slide doors on there, it actually kept it pretty cold. This is where I used to hold like big bags of chips. It was a TV right here, but I took it out. I do have the links. I will put the links below, but yeah, I put this floor in because this is what most food trucks use. How I got it in is I put the wood floor down first with the little, if you watch the video, I used cardboard to shape out the wheel wells and stuff, and then I just cut the wood with that cardboard. And under all of these tables and stuff is just regular wood because you really can't see under the tables and under this refrigerator. But in this path, this 4x4 sheet of metal, what I did was put that in this path right here where you're gonna see, and all I did was just screw that down with an iPhone. But it was a TV here. I took it out. All of these wires is going to that plug you saw outside of the car, but I didn't use that. But I actually bought a generator that's gonna go right here. That I'm gonna start using, because this setup I had with this right here and this battery, this is like a boat battery, so it can easily be recharged up. This was over there, but as you can see, the roof kept letting rain in, so I actually took it completely off so I can redo all of that and redo everything that was like messing up. But yeah, this actually was working pretty good. I did the Pride Parade in Chicago and it worked flawlessly. Without this ice machine right here, it worked completely, kept all the lights on pretty good. It worked like charm. But I did the Big 3 basketball game and the lights kept going on and off, and that was like irritating me, so that's when I got fed up and just bought a generator. So the truck pretty much looked the same, just a little dirt. Like, this is the floor. This is where I ended the floor. And this is the other floor. It looked like that because it been rain, like the rain has been getting through. So when I redo it, I am cutting this whole roof off and putting a new roof on. And I'm gonna, of course, clean it up really, really good in here. Throw these out. And this is what I pretty much kept like candy and stuff in these drawers. I threw everything away because like I'm not gonna resell nothing, and it been sitting for that long. So I threw all the candy and the chips that didn't get sold. I just threw it away. But I used to keep like certain candy in this drawer, certain candy. Down here in the bottom drawer was like a cash register. This drawer was like lighters I just had, because I did a lot of palooza and stuff, and it was like people walking around looking for like lighters and stuff, so I just went ahead and I got a whole bunch of those. So the only thing I kept in the drawers is like stuff that's non-edible. So this is like a whole bunch of random stuff I had. This is a battery for a light I had on the outside that pressed the button and it like kept the light on without using this electricity. It ran off of just this battery right here, so that was pretty cool. Like ways to save electricity. See, I still got bleach in here because I was going to get ready to clean this out, this whole truck out, and work on it this year. But I did not get to it because the truck wouldn't start, and I didn't want to clean it out and then it get right back dirty because it is sitting under a tree. I actually got to clean everything. So I am going to start cleaning it because it is going to be used for the fall and the winter. So I am going to, when I get the truck back clean, start cleaning it and do all of that stuff. I put a bigger window in because the experience I had working in 2018 summer, that little bitty window was about this size from here to here, probably smaller, and people was trying to see the stuff that I had because I had like chips and stuff lined up over here, and see the like the flavors and stuff, or just see me make the stuff because people want to see what you're doing. They really couldn't see that, so I opened the window, put a bigger window in here so they can see like what I'm doing, because like even when I'm at a restaurant, I like to see people make my food or make my drinks or whatever I'm getting. I like to see people do it, so I put a bigger window so they can see that. Just a regular house window, to be honest with you. Probably way to save money, and it's unlocked. Let me lock that. So if you want to see videos on how I built all of this, I do have finished this video because my camera died, and also my phone don't got no memory for me to even make this video. But this is pretty much the truck. As you can see, I'm well enough, tall enough. My daddy is like 6 something, so I lifted the roof so he can get in here if he wants to help out one day. Last thing, I did put some wood down like on each angle so to stop this from sliding, because it still got wheels on it. But besides that, this is the whole truck. Electricity run to all of these plugs, blah blah blah. As you can see, I got it going through the wall like a normal house. I got videos on all of this. This is just the update on this work too. If I cut that off, electricity will not give it to the plugs. This is just the update. Stay in tune because I will be adding a generator and cutting out this roof right here. That black stuff is like Flex Seal, so it can stop raining in here, but it still got like rain in here. You can see that white stuff is like mold, so I'm cutting that. Sorry for the end of this video. I tried to record everything. Hold on one second. I'm like listening to music right now, but sorry for this video. I tried to record everything, but my camera died, and in half of the video of recording with my camera, my iPhone, I started using my iPhone, and my iPhone battery actually started saying it was, not battery, the memory started saying it was full, so I just like ended the video halfway through. But y'all pretty much got the concept. The truck is completely done. I just have to fix the roof on it and add the generator in there and have it in a nice breathing way. Stay tuned for more videos. I feel like I'm louching like this, but let me fix the camera so y'all can see me. Stay tuned for more okay, there we go. Can y'all see me? I'm sorry, I'm having all type of technical difficulties right now. I'm actually in my studio right now, but stay tuned for more videos. I'm editing the video right now that you guys just watched, but it's not really that much to edit. But just stay tuned for the next video, and it's gonna be more videos on the food truck, on the Audi, on the Land Rover, and the bike life videos is coming soon. I'm gonna try to start doing other stuff, but I just haven't figured out exactly what I want to do. I actually got some pictures right here of the Audi that I drew of how I want it to look, so just don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos, and peace.